Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2012 Porsche 911 Carrera S. Got the 3.5 motor in this. We're doing an oil change. Here's your oil filter housing. Already got it loose and draining. So in order to take that out, your fan assembly has to come out along with that air duct. They're just in with little pop clips. So they are not that big of an issue. And then disconnect, connector there, and then assembly comes out. Then you need a big 36-inch nut in order to take off that oil filter housing. Right now, here's your oil fill location. So putting the oil up in there. As far as the oil, jack up the passenger side. The drain on this one is further towards the driver. So jack it up on the passenger side, and then you'll be able to drain it all out on that side right there. It is a what is that? T8, or sorry, not a T, but a 8mm Allen head to take that out. Make sure you replace the washer, make sure you replace the gasket for the oil filter. And this should take 7.92 quarts, so roughly 8 quarts of oil once it's completely drained with the filter. Go back together, top it off, run it, let it run, let it get hot, check the oil, and see where you're at. Any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.